Hello, my name is Daniela Paredes. I'm going to talk about of memories, life of Juan Montalvo. Juan Montalvo was born in Ambato on April 30, 1832. Was the eighth son of José Montalvo and Josefa Fiallos. Juan Montalvo looked at the suffering of the brother for being against the government. After studying grammar, philosophy, and law, also wrote some books catilinarias, los capítulos que se le olvidaron a Cervantes, and Cosmopolita. Finally, chapters Slick. Juan Montalvo forgot in Paris and died on January on 1889. English in my life. I can say that the English subject helps me a lot of on the area I work in is user service and it might be that at some point there are others who speak the English language. Thank you.